Today we're making a delicious lemon garlic chicken for one. This chicken dish comes together quickly and cooks in just 30 minutes. It's wonderful served over rice or pasta or sliced for a sandwich or a wrap. I think you're going to love it. So let's get started. You're going to first start by making a marinade, and we're going to mix together 1 clove of garlic that I chopped already, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper. So I'm going to add this to the marinade. Okay, and I'm going to mix these together. I'm using a chicken thigh. You can use a chicken breast or a chicken thigh. You can either put it in the bowl, or what I like to do is take a zip top bag and put the chicken in the bag and just give that another stir, and then pour the marinade over the chicken in the bag. Seal it up, and we're going to let this marinate for about 20 minutes. You really don't need to have the chicken marinate for too long, so we're going to just keep that in the fridge for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to bake it. So after it's been marinated, we're going to put the chicken on a small baking sheet or baking dish. And we're going to place it in a preheated 350-degree oven and let it bake for about 25 minutes. Okay, so we've just taken the chicken out of the oven, and we should cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes and let the chicken rest so that the chicken retains its juices, and this will actually give you the perfect opportunity to make whatever side dish you're going to make to eat with the chicken. Okay, so I've made a little quinoa, but consider making some steamed vegetables or a little pasta or rice to serve with your chicken. So you can find the full recipe in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow, like, and subscribe, and check out the rest of our videos. Also check out onedishkitchen.com to find hundreds of single serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.